Hi, this is Reina with WTI. I want to show you this oil dispenser bottle spray that I got, that I love in it. It's easy, light spray for greasing pans like how I'm doing right now that I'm gonna cook because I love cooking. In this case, I'm making this a plantain and I'm not wasting my olive oil that I've been using. And look how it looks. This is amazing. This is very good if you want to reduce the amount of oil that you're using. In this case, I'm making some zucchinis as well. So good. This oil dispenser bottle spray is perfect for placing your favorite oil or vinegar or soy sauce you choose. And the part of the top, if you see, is plastic, but the bottle is glass. It's very functional and versatile. If you press the button lightly, the oil comes out in a stream. And if you press the button fast, it comes out as a spray too. You can pour the oil, spray salads and marinate food for air fryer. I am so glad with this purchase that I totally recommend it. And that is my point of view.